morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mateo and I travel full-time in my self-converted 2001 Ford E250 with my cat Lars. And today we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Last night got so freaking cold. I am so thankful for the heat sources that I have. This time last year, all I had was a Mr. Buddy heater, which I still have one. I haven't had to pull it out. And last year I didn't even have heat in my van, like from my actual van. I had no heat, no air, so it was rough. This time around I have air and heat, which is great. Good job, Bubby. So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about power. Power is very important when you live on the road, whether you need it for work or whether you need it for just being comfortable. It's very important. I obviously work as a YouTuber, so I need it for work, and I also need it for comfortability, especially during the winter times and cold times like this. Last night, it was 22 degrees in this van. And if I did not have my power stations, I would not have been able to power my heated blankets or my lights above me. I have battery powered lights that I still need to charge up in order for them to work. And I actually have a TV that I use and I power that, and I watch my Roku TV, which is how I watch my YouTube videos and all that stuff. Even things like a blender or Lars's automatic food feeder with a camera. So from work to comfortability to leisure, I need power. And the power that I have in this van, I have a 1800 watt Blue 80 power station, as well as my new Anchor, which is a 300 watt power station. So those are the only power stations I have. That's the only way that I'm able to power my lights, power my entertainment, my fridge. And yeah, that's all I got. So it honestly lasts usually like 2 days before I need to power up, but since it's been cold, I've been having to use my heated blankets and stuff like that. So usually it lasts the night and that's it. So I had it at 73% last night. This morning it's dead. Normally it would at least have like a little bit of charge left, like 30, maybe 40 left, and I could work with that, but it's completely dead. Both power stations are completely dead. So we need to figure out how to charge that. Now, as far as charging my power stations, I usually just go to like a Starbucks. I'd much rather go to like, a local coffee shop, but you never know. You never quite know with those places, like if they have outlets and if they want you to be walking in there with a gigantic power station. Because a lot of those smaller ones are like more about like being comfy and like being like chill vibes. So walking in there with a giant power station kind of, I don't know. I just feel more weird, I guess I'll say. I feel a lot more eyes on me when I walk into a small coffee shop with a gigantic 40-pound power station. Starbucks usually chill. I've never had anyone say anything. I've asked several times at any place that I go to. I usually ask, and it's always a yes. So Starbucks, you go there. I usually grab a coffee, maybe a little snack, and charge my stuff for as long as I need to. So I think that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go charge that up so we can be warm tonight. And then, yeah, figure out what else we're going to do with our day. I think I need to go get some groceries, too, because I have not gotten groceries since I had Dolly, who was my last passenger in my van. Since then, I've been kind of just eating what I have in the van and eating out, which I prefer to cook. So, yeah, we're going to have to go to the grocery store after that. So, let's get our day started. got the Starbucks. It's looking like it might be one of those small Starbucks, so I'm gonna have to go in there and see if there's even enough space for me to even like go in there and charge stuff. So I'll go check that out and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back in the van. That took a little longer than I thought it would because I got caught up trying to make some music and kind of lost track of time, if I'm being honest. But both of my generators are charged up, so now I'm gonna grab my lights and plug them up. Good job. Oh, you miss me, Bubby? You miss me? You miss me? All right, so there is a Trader Joe's here in Albuquerque, so you guys know how much I love TJ's. I'm just gonna grab a few things to last me for like a few days, because I don't want anything to go to waste or anything like that. It's been cold enough, honestly, for the past like few days that I haven't had to plug in my fridge. Everything has stayed cold, so that's been helping my power generator stay alive longer. That being said, I still don't want to get too much groceries and, you know, something goes wrong. So we'll grab a few things for like a couple days, maybe 2 or 3 days. What's up, guys? I just parked at Planet Fitness. I'm going to go in and get a workout in. But yeah, I figured I would do a grocery haul. I literally have not done a grocery haul on this channel in probably over a year. I usually just go to the grocery store and then like I put my groceries away and then that's it. I can't remember the last time that I actually showed you guys some of the stuff that I got. So that's what we're gonna do right now because it's getting late and I'm ready to go to the gym and then hit the hay. All right, so I'm not gonna show you guys everything, just some of the stuff that I think is worth showing. So I got some chorizo, like cured meats. Got some organic riced cauliflower. Fun fact about me, I like riced cauliflower more than I like rice. Like, I would switch it out every single day if I could. I got some organic eggs. I have a couple duck eggs left too, so I'm just gonna mix those together. Got some vegetarian stir fry with peas, broccoli. Oh, I forgot to get broccolini. Dang, I meant to get broccolini today. Trader Joe's always has good broccolini. But yeah, stir fry. Got some yogurts. Strawberry, raspberry, cherry. I got some health shots, some ginger, elderberry, and turmeric shots. And tell me what you wanna do tonight. But I don't know what it is, but I've been feeling way more inspired lately to make music. And I think I might know why. But yeah, so I meant to go into Starbucks today and only stay for like an hour, just long enough to charge my power station. But I ended up staying there for like 3 hours because I was working on some new music. So yeah, hopefully you guys will be getting some newer music soon. I got some butter croissants. Definitely gonna have that for breakfast tomorrow. You guys will see what I end up doing with that. While I was at the store, I actually, one of the employees there, she actually watched my channel, and she came up to me and she was talking about how she used to live in Japan, and I was telling her how like I've always wanted to go to Japan, and that was just a really good conversation. So what's up, Netta, if you're watching this? It was great talking to you. I'm always super nervous, like, to like run into someone who knows me while I'm like, I don't know, just not looking good, or just like, I don't know. I'm always trying to make sure I'm presenting myself well, and I always have a good mood, because I don't know, just it's always hard when people are rude. Like, I had this one lady in the parking lot that was like really rude to me, and before I walked in the store, I had to stop and tell myself, like, don't let this person ruin your entire day, because it's a small moment. Like, I don't know what that person was going through to where they were so rude. While I was trying to walk into the store, they were driving up fast, and like I was like trying to wait for them to go, and they were honking at me, and obviously that put me in like a weird mood. But before I walked into the store, I had to take a quick break and just like remind myself that like no one can control how I feel except for me. So luckily I walked into the store with a great attitude, and that's where I met Netta, and I'm just glad that I was in a good mood when that happened. So just be careful about energy you let people make you feel. Like, don't ever let someone bring your vibe down, bring your mood down. It's not worth it. It never is. I got some uncured pancetta because I really want to make carbonara again. That is, I think, one of my favorite meals I've ever made. Top 5, probably, for sure. And speaking of favorite meals I've ever made, I got some curry chicken salad. Not sure if you guys remember this, but if you were here last year when I was in the snow and I did something crazy with this, I mean, I'm gonna have to do it again to make sure. That might be the best meal I've ever made on this channel. And that was before I rated my meals. That probably would have been a 10. But we're gonna have to make it again and find out. But yeah, besides that, I got some teriyaki steak, because I'm gonna make like a rice bowl with cauliflower rice and vegetables. Oh, I got some beach mushrooms. These are like the weird looking mushrooms. And I got a mozzarella and tomato salad. Let's get into the snacks. Everybody knows Trader Joe's has the best snacks. I got some sesame seed and honey almonds that look really good. I got some dark chocolate peanut butter cups. These are my favorite candy to get from Trader Joe's. And lastly, I got some chocolate sea salt cookies. I think I want to try one of these before I go into the gym. Which is super counterintuitive, but hey. I've been super proud of myself. I've been going to the gym and getting back into the swing of it, to where when I don't go, I really miss going. But yeah, guys, I just want to give you like a little grocery haul. Oh, I forgot to show you one last thing. So last but not least, I got some holistic cat treats for Lars. Let's see how he reacts to them. Yep, he already smells them. Mmm. Oh. One treat?
They're in this hand, mommy. Good job. Oh. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna eat this cookie and then go inside, work out, take a shower, the whole drill, and figure out where we're gonna park tonight, because I'm not actually sure. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button, leaving a like, leaving a comment, all that good stuff. It means a lot to me, and it helps me and Lars tremendously. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, peace.